Hey guys, it's cryptorocko with our YouTube live stream. Today's gonna be great, guys. Bitcoin is pumping and life is good. People with what's going on in the world, if you're a day trader or a cryptocurrency trader, Forex trader, the markets are great. Apart from what's going on in the world, which is obviously not great, trading wise, it's been probably one of the best markets I've seen. So tonight's stream is going to be great. Bitcoin's been going wild. We're going to have a look at how the altcoins are doing. Altcoins could be getting a move up. I'm just being cautious about taking trades in altcoins just yet. I'll share with you some of the trades I'm taking. But yeah, tonight's going to be a good stream. I try and do this public streams as well, once or twice a month. I'll do it at least 2-3 times a month. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. I'll give you guys I'll give you guys some time to join, and then I'll get right back into the stream. So the plan is we'll look at Bitcoin. I'll share with you my long-term analysis, some trading strategies, how I'm trading it. Look at altcoins that's been requested by people in the group, people from wherever, Facebook, Twitter. I'll look at all those. And then yeah, if you have any trading related question, any question in general, just let me know and I'll try and help you guys out. So yeah, tonight's stream is going to be a popular one, hopefully. Let's see if we can take some trades as well, and let's have a great time. If you have any questions, like I said, let me know, and I'll give it 10 minutes. Let me bring this in. Let me bring the countdown clock in, and then we'll wait for people to join, and let's have an awesome stream. In the meantime, if you have any questions, let me know, guys. I'm going to be on air. I'm kind of busy with trades. I'm in a couple of trades right now. But if you have any questions, let me know and I'll try to answer them for you. GG XRP 10k. Yeah, I mean, I bragged a little bit as well when I made that video, if you remember, the second video that I made. But yeah, XRP has been good for me. Not sure how many people will be joining, because obviously with what's going on. I don't speak Arabic, my friend. It'd have to be English for me to help you. Spanish. I don't really speak much Spanish either. It's Persian, so we've got some Persian, but I'm surprised how you know that. I don't speak any Persian. Mainly in Bitcoin, my friend. I love Bitcoin. I traded ADA as well. I'll share with you my ADA trade. ADA's been actually quite good. I'll share with you my ADA trade. ADA and Algo. I'll look at older ones, XRP, Chainlink, and them as well. Forex, you trade Forex as well, Santiago? Yeah, Forex is great. I mean, I've traded Forex. I'll share with you some of the Forex trade I took. One of the best Forex trade I took this week was a CAD JPY short. Yeah, hopefully people will be joining in. I'll have a look at Steem. I don't know how long you've been part of the cryptocurrency world. I used to trade. Post videos and content on Steem, and yeah, I think it had something to do with Tron, which I haven't really followed. I don't know if you followed all the Steem rules. I'll have a Google search and see what's going on with Steem. I thought it was going to be the next big thing. I was following it crazy. I used to post on it. I think I made some money on it as well. It was really good, but I've not really done it as much since. I'll have a look at from a technical analysis point of view. Do you still use Steem, my friend? Sorry, I don't know what happened there. I think I switched off for a bit. Yeah, you're welcome. Just be careful when it's trending like now is great. It's really profitable. That strategy I shared, and it's literally on YouTube. So when it's trending, that is a really good strategy to use.
Here at Moneybox, we built an app that helps you invest your spare change.
Don't know what that was. How long have you been trading, Marco? Have you just started trading and used the strategy, or have you got some experience? I'd be interested to know how long you've been trading for. Okay, that's really good that you're making money so quickly. It took me ages to get started and make money. Oh, awesome! Yeah, with what's been going, this is the best time to trade. We've had few people join in. I thought the YouTube stream today would be a lot busier because obviously there's lots of people having to not go into work. We'll see how it goes. Usually we get about 30-40 people watching this stream. We're gonna have a good stream anyway, guys. However many people join, I try and do these to help people out free on YouTube at least a couple of times a month. You'll enjoy the Bitcoin analysis as well. That analysis worked out really well. Where do I live? I'm from the UK. Some of the regulars haven't arrived. We have some regulars that are always. Suppose people must be trading because it's such a good market to trade. Right, any questions, guys, before we get into the stream? Moving on. Don't know what that means. cashing out. I don't know what that means. You guys are having a different conversation, I think. I'm not sure what's going on. I usually wait 10 minutes. Alright, no worries, I'll start now. Oh, it's 15 seconds. Well, before I start, I'll start now. Can you guys just confirm you can hear me well? Everything's fine? You can see the screen well? Just confirm with a thumbs up or yes, and I'll get into the stream. Awesome, sounds like you can hear me. Sysks is here as well, she's one of the regulars. I think there's a John and there's two other guys that are always here. They're not here today. Anyways, I'll get into the stream. So Bitcoin, I'm going to do my long-term analysis on Bitcoin. This is what I've been sharing. So this is a potential Elliott wave count. I'm not sure if we've got some Elliott wave traders here. I'm not an Elliott wave trader, but I do, I've studied Elliott waves a lot. So this is my Elliott wave count. This move from December 18, this big bull move to 14,000 could have been a 5 move up. Can't see screen. Oh, now you can. Okay, no problem. Just let me know, because I don't want to just going on with my analysis and then you guys can't hear or see. Just let me know. So yeah, this could be an impulsive 5 moves up. You can see my Elliott waves count, and this could be a correction ABC equal measure move, which is a ABC correction, a corrective move, as you guys know. And I actually bought some at 4k. I bought some at 6k as well. I'm not gonna lie. I thought this could have a move up. I was wrong. I didn't. That was underwater. And I bought some at 4k as well. Those were 2 of my entry points. And since then, guys, I'm not saying this is the bottom, because 236 Fibonacci, if you've followed me for any amount of time, you know that I use 236 Fibonacci a lot, and this 236 Fibonacci could be holding us down. So we have to be very careful on going for longs now. This is at huge resistance. 236 Fibonacci tells us whether it's going to be a bigger move up or whether it could cap us now. So I wouldn't suggest anyone going hugely long now. If you went long, I'll share with you exactly how I traded, my strategy, and how I traded Bitcoin, so you guys can next time profit from it. But I have taken profit. So long term, I tweeted about this. There's a couple of scenarios I'm looking for, so I'll talk about a few scenarios. One scenario is it comes back down, it forms a higher low, and then tries to break back above. That would be quite bullish, and that's what people would like to see. If you are if this is bearish, this could literally break down back to 3k, then have a big move up. That could be another scenario. That is what I think it will be, and I'd like to buy some here. So if it pulls back to 3k, I'll buy some at 3k. The other scenario is what that could potentially happen with the stock market, because the way the stock market is crashing, and unfortunately you can't deny that Bitcoin is correlated. I know today it's not been correlated because stock markets have been moving sideways and Bitcoin's gone up. But if you see the stock market sell off, Bitcoin has sold off like with the stock market. So that is something for us to be aware. So I think stock market will go down, and if stock market goes down, Bitcoin can be going down further. So I know a lot of people don't want to hear it, but I'm just sharing with you my opinion. I would love Bitcoin to be the hedge, where, you know, people sell off their stocks and houses and bonds and gold and buy Bitcoin. That would be the dream. If that happens, I mean, I'll be so happy. I'd go crazy. I'd just travel around the world. I mean, I don't know if that happens. That would be the best thing ever. But we don't know if that's going to happen. And from what we have seen, stock market and Bitcoin has been correlated. So the last scenario that I don't want it to happen is a breakdown. If Bitcoin breaks below 3k, I don't know how low it can go. Can it go to the 1,000 level? Who knows? So let's hope Bitcoin doesn't break 3k. Bitcoin breaking 3k would be like Bitcoin breaking 6k. What I would like is if it does a spike, that's fine. I wouldn't mind a spike, but I wouldn't like a close below. If it closes below, that is going to be bearish. So let's hope Bitcoin doesn't do that. That will be one of my main things. Do you guys get that? Do you agree with my Bitcoin analysis? What do you guys think? Yes, I do short, and I recommend people short it. I shorted a couple of times here. I didn't hodl. I'm not gonna take glory that I hodled from here. I took a short. I'll share with you. And again, if you're part of the group, I done this live as well. I'll share with you the Bitcoin long I took, but I'll share with you the short. So I talked about excuse me. So this was my big support resistance. This was the previous 236 level. Once this broke, this was huge red flag. I shorted it here. I think I sold most at 7k, and then around 8k I sold most of my short. I wasn't short after that, but it just literally dropped. So it would have been great if I held my short. It literally smashed through. I didn't think it would break 6,500. So I closed my short around 7,500, I believe. So I didn't short it fully. At the moment, I might short now, guys. You know, it's coming back to the daily 20 moving average, and see how well it works. You don't need to buy $1,000 indicator. You don't need to do that, guys. Look at how this 20 moving average works. Resistance, resistance, gets back above, pull back long, gets back below, boom. So this is my best indicator, and anyone can use it. You don't need to. Most indicators, even this indicator which I've made for myself, this is I use RSI and the moving average to create it. So that would be my scenario, and I will share with you. So make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification button. I'll share with you how I look to short it. I'm not short just yet. I've closed my longs, and I'll share with you the short-term analysis, but I'm not short yet. So let's have a look at short-term. What's Bitcoin looking like? Have you guys got any questions for long-term analysis? Okay, I'll get into the short-term analysis now. So where is this at now? It is at that 236 Fibonacci again. I should be called 236 Rocko, because I always keep talking about 236. So it is at that 236 Fibonacci level. So if it can break and hold above it, above 6,500, not just a look above, because its RSI is quite oversold, so I wouldn't buy here. But if it breaks out above and does this, I would long it then. But at the moment, I wouldn't be buying. No worries, Elias, that's fine. Hopefully you guys learned something from it. So what am I looking to do now? So I think Bitcoin would potentially be a short here, and what I'm looking for is, if Bitcoin gets back below my hourly 20 moving average or 4 hourly moving average, I would look to short. That will sort of be my strategy, and I'll be targeting here. But again, it's not set off here. If it breaks out, I'll go long. And I'll share with you how I traded Bitcoin today. And this is, I'm not just making this stuff up. I actually trade. I'll share with you exactly what I was sharing and how I traded. I think I made some posted. Yes, which move? The down move or the up move, my friend? Okay, so for that 236, this is the Fibonacci tool. So from the top to the bottom, that's how you draw it. From the top to the bottom. And if you looking to long back to 5k, it's at 6.5k. I don't know what you mean, but if you look Fibonacci here, if the price is going up, you go from left to right and to the top, and if the price is going down, you go from left to right. You go left to right, so up to down, and then up to down to up if the price is down and going up. So it's the other way around, if that makes sense. So short term, how I traded it, let me show you the other chart. Two seconds. So this is where Bitcoin was. Here I was looking to short Bitcoin, and I'll explain to you why. I mean, I'm not, you can check the group. If you're part of the group, you already know how I traded, and this will help you. So what I posted was, this is what I was looking for at Bitcoin. I don't know if you guys can see. This is what I was looking for on Bitcoin. I was looking for a break above this and then into that resistance. That was posted a day ago, and Bitcoin broke above cleanly. So posted again that I'm looking to take profits. Where's that gone? So yeah, this one's the next one. So on this one, so this is what I posted yesterday, that I'm looking for Bitcoin to go up. Then I posted that Bitcoin could be moving higher, and it broke out. So I took 3% off, and then it went up 16%, and this is where I exited. So I exited as it was going up, so I didn't buy and then sell at 16%. I was exiting as it was going up. That's how I traded. So I hope that makes sense. And at the moment I'm not long Bitcoin. If it breaks above, I'll look to buy, and I'll potentially look to short it. That's my whole analysis on Bitcoin. Hope that makes sense. I'm gonna look at Ethereum for you guys. Some nice pullback entries if any of you were trading. That would have been a nice long. So what are we looking at Ethereum? Ethereum hasn't even broken out where Bitcoin has. So Ethereum is still below resistance. So I'm not sure if any of you are trading Ethereum. Ethereum is still below resistance. So Ethereum needs to break above there for me to get excited about Ethereum. It is still below resistance. I'm not looking to trade Ethereum. Let's have a look at Litecoin. Litecoin is same. It is not broken out resistance. My target is this Fibonacci. I think this might be the Fibonacci where Bitcoin goes up to. That will be about $50 level. That is what I'm sort of targeting for Bitcoin to get to. I'm not sure if it will. It will be amazing to get that move up. It's at resistance. If it gets back above the daily 20 moving average to 50, could be a target. I'll have a look at Link as well. One things I look for is once Bitcoin breaks out, then altcoin breaks out. So as Bitcoin has broken out now, I will be looking at altcoins to have a move up. So being XRP, I made a video on YouTube, a funny video on YouTube if you guys follow me, about XRP potential bottom. I'm not claiming that it will, but one of the things I look for is I'll be a genius one time if XRP actually bottoms here. Have we got any XRP fans tonight? This is the video I made about XRP. That the bear market last time from 2014 to 2017 was about 854 days, and this bear market from December of 2018, December 2017 to now is almost going to be that 845 days. So could we bottom around here? I'm not making any claims, but there is a possibility that we can be doing that. So I'm definitely keeping an eye out for that move. But if you're looking to trade it, let's draw our Fibonacci again. See where the Fibonacci comes in. It's breaking above 236. So next one is going to be that. Let me get rid of this. I'll be looking at this 382 Fibonacci, which is about 20 cents, and the 20 moving average. That will be my next place. Yeah, that's good. I was just trying to get some clout from the XRP community. There's a huge XRP fan base on YouTube. I'm just being completely honest. Maybe I was trying to get some likes from them, but no, it's fine. I'm actually quite interested in XTZ. I might long XTZ actually. I'll show you that. So that's XRP. Keeping an eye. Yeah, that's fine. If it breaks above where I said keep for a trade, you know how Bitcoin broke out? Keep an eye out for XRP breakout. See if it can break above there. That could be a move. Could be this zone. See if we get that. Let's have a look at, I know you asked for a link. Let's have a look at XTZ. XTZ is forming a nice base here, I think. And if XTZ can break above this red zone, I'll quite like it. And let me share with you the XTZ USD chart. Yeah, it's pulling back to my moving average. I quite like this chart. XRP is the biggest fanboy coin. Yeah, I quite like this, You could look to get in here in the 236,382 Fibonacci range. And I'll be targeting sort of the $2 mark if it can break above, but we'll have to see. I might share a trade signal in the group in a bit. This could be a decent trade. See, if I was looking to take it, it's the right one. Stops will have to go below there, I think. I mean, ideally it should go even lower, to be honest. Yeah, I would have my stop there, and then that could be a trade we can look for, but it's a risky trade because it's still not bullish. I think we're below daily moving average, so I'm just targeting the daily moving average if it gets a move up. See how it works. This might be famous last words. Link USD, you can see it couldn't break out. And where did it stop, guys? Just watch this. I've just literally opened the chart. 236 Fibonacci was drawn from before. Exactly at the 236. Can you see that? That's to the pip. I mean, people that say that technical analysis or trading doesn't work, I'll show them this chart. To the pip, resistance, pulls back. So even if you bought it, you should be selling it when you see that. If you're new to trading, you should know that. That's a hammer, pin bar, whatever you want to call it. That's not really a good candle. And another thing is I've been teaching Elliott waves I've just released it. I'll show you. I've released an Elliott wave live stream, and one of the things I'm looking for there is ABCs, and that's probably a 1, 2, 3 ABC. Equal measure move ABC. I don't know if do any of you use Elliott waves in this group, or people watching tonight see that 1-to-1. That's not really bullish, so it makes me reconsider XTZ. Someone asked me about Matic in the group, so I'll explain Matic. Matic on the 1 hour gave a nice pullback. The thing is, Matic is below so much resistance, but it's not looking too bad. This might be a 15-minute entry. Sort of a 1-to-1 here trade, or potentially even longer. I don't use fib time as much, but I use it for analysis, like Elliott waves and fib time. I use it for analysis. I don't use it as much for trading. You only need support, resistance, moving average. Even moving averages I can trade without them, because I know where the moving average will be. I can picture it, so I don't really need to use it. But if you're new, yeah, definitely use it, but I use it more for analysis. And when people ask me to say, oh, can you look at this stock, can you look at this cryptocurrency, that's when I look at Elliott waves, fib time. But when trading, you only need support, resistance, moving average, price action, and just try to print that in your mind. I don't know if anyone else has any opinion, but that's my thoughts on it. 2 trades I actually shared, algo's not actually worked. You can see it tried from that 618 50% Fibonacci. It tried to move up, but yeah, it's failing into it. If it can get above, then great, but it's not looking great. The other one I shared in the group was ADA, which actually did get a nice move up. Same strategy, pull back to 50-60% Fibonacci, and you should have taken money on that one. So I would have taken at least 2.5% off there, and then it carried on. Any other coin requests? I'm going to look at Forex. I think we've got a couple of Forex traders in the group, which is great. I'm going to do a Forex analysis. Any more crypto related questions? Yes, Hassan, I'm going to look at that. Hassan, I'm going to look at that. I forgot about Steem. Ant and Steem I'm going to look at. I don't trade Ant. Is Ant on... I think someone else asked me about Ant. I don't know if it's on... Is it on Binance, Ant? Yes, I think someone asked me it last time. It's not looking too bad. So I'll share with you 2 analysis. You can buy it here with stop below. I'd have it wider stop so I don't get stopped out in a spike. But ideally, I would like a breakout entry. Even have a stop closer. That will be my strategy, Marco, on Ant. Engine, let's have a look at Engine. Sorry, I said I'm forgetting Hassan again. Let me look at Steem. I wanted to look at Steem myself, actually. That's mad. It must be news related. Let me have a look. Hassan, are you aware of any news on Steem? This has got to be... okay. There it is. This is the news. This is why Steem is pumping. So Steem, I don't know if you guys are aware, Justin's son, I mean, I don't know the exact details of what Justin's son is doing, but he was trying to go against the community and he was trying to take over the blockchain or whatever. Someone, yeah, son, I don't like that guy. I think if you watch my top 5 videos, I talked about Tron and Justin's son. He's not the best character. He's not the character you want to be leading a company or cryptocurrency you're invested in. So they're trying to hard fork, a community-led hard fork, and Binance and Huobi exchanges are supporting it, and it's rejecting Justin Sun's takeover. So that is why we're seeing a big move up. Just be careful, guys, with moves like this. I don't really like trading them. If you're in it, take profit, make money from it. But this is crazy move up. I bet you it will be at a Fibonacci where it's stopping. Boom. Yeah, Steem hard fork. Do you own some? Did you trade this? I miss this moves. When back in 27, hopefully we get another time like this, and we're gonna have so much fun in the group, and I'll be sharing so many trade signals. But we don't really get it in 2017 or when we've had mini alt seasons. Things just go up like crazy. And even you could have used it here in my trading strategy. You can see the 5-minute strategy. 15-minute, you would have got this pullback. Awesome. That's awesome. Well done. There's a lot of opportunities to scalp it. You can see where it's stopping. It's stopping at the, I think, 236 or 382 Fibonacci. Drawn it too wide, haven't I? You can already tell where it's going to stop. It's bouncing from 236 now. I don't really have a trading strategy for it. If it drops and then RSI gets oversold, I might look for something, but I haven't really got a trading strategy for it. Yeah, I just don't. I'm in so many Forex trades. It's been crazy, stock market and gold. I've not really been keeping up with the cryptocurrency news. So we'll have to see what happens in that. It's a crazy move, isn't it? This is like a back in the day move, 245%. Do you know what? I've got some Steem. You know, let me see how much Steem I've got, because I didn't take my Steem out. I don't know if I've got login. I don't know how to log in. I've got my login somewhere. I'll see how much Steemmates I got. I might delete. It's not too much because I sold it, but I've definitely got some Steemmate in my account. Oh fuck. Won't let me log in. Logging in with a non-posting key. Yeah, I'll have to check. I'm gonna go into Steemit. I made some money on Steemit because you upvote, and I used it for a bit. That's amazing. I had to go in, but I don't know why it didn't let me log in. Hopefully, I can find the login for it. This is not decent. It's not a lot of money, but it's still money. I might send it to Binance and sell it. I had this moment with RVN. I think I mined some RVN, Ravencoin, and then I found out I had some when Ravencoin went berserk. Yeah, I found that I had some Ravencoin and it was amazing. I think it was back here, so that was really good. I mean, I'll see how much Steem I've got. That's actually jokes. Might have a good weekend. Oh, I'm not doing anything. I'm just stuck in my room with the coronavirus. Right, what was the other request? Steem and NMR. I think I've Steem, NMR, and then Engine. I don't really trade on bitmex. Bitmex used to be the main one, but whoa. It's crazy, isn't it? You can even see the charts aren't very well formed. Who requested this NMR? I don't know how you trade it. How much stop do you need to have? Yeah, I can't trade this. Maybe, this broke out. You could have bought the breakout. How long did it take to go up? Yeah, within half an hour. I'll have a look at UBT as well. Yeah, this is that's why I don't trade on bitmex. There's no liquidity. I mean, if you buy it, you might not be able to get your position out. When did you buy? Are you already in this, Hassan? That's awesome. Well done. That's really good. Okay, what were the two? Engine and... So yeah, that's awesome, mate. Well done. From technical analysis point of view, it's at resistance now, so I'll sell. If you don't sell it all, sell half, and then target the next. Engine. Again, it's on Huobi. I don't trade on Huobi, so... It's forming this sort of wedge. It's not really an ideal wedge. It's got some weekly divergence. It's not bad. It's not bad, but I wouldn't be doing it. I'll probably wait for a breakout and then get into it. It's not too bad. Whoever's requested engine, I think it was Saisk, wasn't it? But yeah, this is not my coin to buy. I'm not trading on Huobi. But I don't know if you're trading on more scalping. From a trading point of view, I need a trend change before I get in. Even a 4-hour trend change before I get in. UBT, let's have a look at UBT. Hit BTC, yeah, I don't use. I've got a coin. This is kind of embarrassing story. I own this coin which is gold backed or something, and my friend told me it, and I hate buying coins. It was back in when crypto was going crazy, and I deposited Bitcoin into Huobi to buy that coin, and I'm not even gonna check that how much I've got left, because it's not much. Yeah, that was stupid. I always tell people not to do it. Yeah, I think you're a UBT fan, aren't you? You like it fundamentally. I mean, I don't even know what this is. I can't even do technical analysis. I'll have a look at it. Yes, ENJ, someone shared in the group. Yes, I've got ENJ. This has been awesome. So this is where I was for buying. There was a scalp trade on that one, about 7%. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, ENJ, I've traded ENJ. Someone in the group posted about ENJ. Let me show you. That's why I'm trying to create a community. This was the ENJ trade. So ENJ, if you've bought it, hopefully you took profit. What I will say now is, if it breaks below this support level, I think it will go down. There was a trade opportunity here, which I suggested. I didn't take it myself, but you could have taken 5-10% profit. But if it breaks below this support level, I think it will go lower. Maybe the 618, this support. The hourly moving average is catching up. It's not the worst trade, but I'm not taking this. If you're already in this, great. That's why I suggested buying this for 5%. Sell half and have your stop below. See if you can get it up. See if it moves up. If it breaks above here, then great. That will be awesome if it breaks above there. Right, I'm going to do a bit of Forex before I go. I'm going to look at two pairs. One is CAD JPY. So this is a trade that I took. This was shared live, and the reasoning was it was gap closure and the Elliott wave ABC correction. So it was a nice little trade, and I shorted it, and it hit my target. I think it could potentially be another short. Long term, I do think it goes down to potentially 72 level, which is huge money. I mean, I don't know if any of you trade Forex here. There's lots of opportunities. So that is a pair that I'm looking to trade. I'm looking at Euro USD long. That's not really worked. So I was looking to buy Euro USD. Didn't break out. It sold off, which was a nice trade. But I was looking to buy it when it got back above. It didn't give me that. I'll have a look at TNJ for you. Let me just do, because what was the pair? I think it was odd JPY. Yeah, it's odd Aussie JPY. I'll review that, then I'll look at your coin to end the stream. So I've taken a short on odd JPY. And the reason for that is the 4 hours. Can you see that, the 4 hour selling off? I might take some off here, but I traded it using my 4 hour pullback strategy. 4 hour moving average, 618, 50%, boom, down. So I can't remember who it was. We might find support on the hourly moving average, so I might want to take some profit. I don't know. I think altcoins are easy to trade when it's moving up. But I love Forex. I make most of my money on Forex. It's hard to trade, but I love it. That's just my thoughts. You can see the CAD JPY if you follow me on Facebook or part of my group. I posted that. I'm in this short now. Like I said, we'll see how this plays out. This, I might take some profit around this zone. Still, how many pips is it? It's about 100 pips, which is amazing. and then yeah, see if it moves up. That will be my thoughts on it. Okay, that was the trade someone in my group requested. I'll have a look at, what is it, TNG. Yeah, I'll have a look at TNG, and then if you don't have any questions, is TNG a cryptocurrency? Thanks, Elias. I prefer the live streams. The live stream, you get the raw content. Some of the videos I make might be a bit, the title might be a bit exaggerated, but join the live streams and check out the educational group as well if you're interested in learning. I post signals, live stream. We've got a strategy video, Elliott waves. You've got unit section here for new people to learn. I definitely recommend you guys check it out. I do these live streams a lot more in there, so I definitely recommend. And we're building up a course here as well if anyone's interested. So thank you very much for joining today, guys. I really appreciate you guys. I think not many people have joined today. It's good to see Saisk again and Hassan. Thanks for joining. And then yes, I'll be doing another one maybe in a couple of weeks time. I don't know, maybe because of the coronavirus. I thought tonight was going to be really busy because people were staying in, but we've only had like 10, 12 people watching. Hopefully the next one I do, we get more people. I don't know if people are just busy with the coronavirus. Anyways, thank you very much for watching, guys. Hopefully Bitcoin goes up. That's what people want. I think it could potentially break down using my trading strategy, but we'll see what happens. If it breaks out, I'm going to be longing it using the strategy I shared, and we'll have a look at altcoins as well. I was going to say quarantine and chill. I'm quarantine and trade. I don't chill. I just trade Forex, crypto with you guys, with people in the group, just live stream. But it's been quiet. I'd like to reach out to more people on YouTube or somewhere else, crypto related or wherever. So we'll see how it goes. Anyways, even if it's 5 people, 10 people, I love doing it. So I'll carry on doing it. But yeah, let's have quarantine and chill or quarantine and trade. And I'll see you guys probably in a couple of weeks time. If more people watch it, I'll probably do it in regular. If not, maybe in 2 weeks time I'll do a couple at least a month. So thank you very much, guys. Yeah, that's true. That's very true. I don't think I've mentioned it. Yeah, that's true. A lot of videos and stuff are getting cancelled, and crypto is another thing. I'll end it on this. I might create a Forex YouTube channel because I found that's a very good comment, Saisk. I love you having in the group. You're a knowledgeable person. But yeah, crypto, my videos, if you see, I've got a lot of subscribers, but my videos have gone down, the views. I usually have about 40 people watching the live streams. If you guys have already watched it, even in the group, not many people are watching. I don't know if it's because of that or it's because of something else, but I was thinking of just creating a trading channel, because just Forex stocks trading channel, because otherwise maybe I'll get more promotion. My channel, I'm not getting as many as I used to, but no, I don't mind anyway. Anyways, thank you very much, guys. Take care of yourselves, and we'll see you guys in soon. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys soon, guys. Take care.